Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today we are going to unbox two Amazon products. One is Nivia 2.0 tennis shoe for men and Wilson Unisex Adult Fusion XL tennis racket. So let's dive right in. So first we have the Nivia Ray 2.0 tennis shoe. So this is a gray and white color combination, so it is vibrant and stylish. These shoes are designed for high performance court play and they come with non-marking soles, which is perfect for indoor and outdoor court. So let's see what is the product. The design is super modern and the build quality feels premium. So upper looks like it's made of a breathable material which is great for those long matches. Next we have the Wilson Fusion XL tennis racket. The racket is designed for both beginners and intermediate players and it comes in the bold red and black color scheme. It is a unisex racket with a grip 3 size which is perfect for most players. So that's all for our today's video. I'll put all the information link in my video description. Thanks for watching.